I am just getting ready to ship this back to Jeff in Maryland, and I thought I would go over this. It's been a while since I've done a video on packaging properly. So you'll see at the top of the carton, I have the 3 commercial invoices sort of clustered together. You want to make this a no-brainer for customs, the warehouse, the driver, everybody handling this package. There's zero confusion. You want to make it as obvious as possible. I don't have fragile handle with care stickers plastered all over the carton. And you don't see Gibson, Martin, Fender on the carton. It is a plain brown carton. That's what you want. You don't want to draw any attention to yourself. Keep it simple. I have the customer's invoice in the bottom left-hand corner, clearly marked. I have the UPS scanner code there on the right. So there's a couple of reasons I do this. Because all the information is clustered in one spot, the headstock of the guitar is facing up. Chances are very unlikely that they would load this in upside down. I've made a very simple handle, and it's just taped on with the packaging tape. With this handle, it's quite easy to lift. It's not a heavy box, but it is pretty big, and it's a bit awkward to handle. So once again, you want to make it easy for everybody, from the warehouse guy to the driver to customs, whoever is handling this package. Everything's right in their face, crystal clear, and this is the best way to expedite these things in a nice plain Jane brown unmarked carton.